Welcome, 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 loves. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by again. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on how to grow your hair with rice water. This method has been swirling around the internet. A lot of different natural gurus have been using it on their hair as well. The rice water method originated in an ancient Chinese village nicknamed Long Hair Village, and it was created by the Yao women in China. They've used it for generations to get long, luscious, beautiful hair. So I am going to give it a shot today. So we're going to start off with rice and a cup of water, and we're going to just pour it into the rice. This is just to clean it first. You want to clean the rice first, and then after you clean it, then you can put another cup of water in it and put it inside of a container. Put a top on it, and you can have it sit out for I would let it sit for about 24 hours. You can let it sit longer if you want. Like if you want to let it sit longer, then you can do so. They say the longer you let it sit, the more minerals and vitamins and everything that rice has in it will release from the rice, so you can actually receive all of the benefits. So it's up to you how long you really want to have it sitting out. But I would say about 24 hours. So that's the rice just sitting out there. And then you're going to put it into a spray bottle. All right, here's my hair before I shampooed it. So you want to shampoo your hair first to get it very clean, so you can have a nice foundation to begin the process on. Yeah, so I've been researching a lot about rice, and they say that it's rich in antioxidants and minerals and vitamin E. It has protein, and it also has restorative properties that improves your hair elasticity and condition, and it makes the hair really shiny. So I am going to try it every week, once a week. I'm going to do this method, and then I'm going to give you guys an update a month from today on how it worked out for me, and if I see any improvement while using it. You want to make sure you're massaging the scalp as well. That just helps to wake up those hair follicles and help that product to penetrate deeper into your hair shaft. And then you can proceed with putting a plastic cap on and just sit for about an hour. It won't hurt if you sit longer, but I only let it sit for about an hour. And then I rinse my hair, and then I condition it with the regular conditioner. And then I rinse that and proceeded with styling my hair. If you guys have any methods or any type of hair growth methods that you can think of that you want me to try for the next video, please make sure you leave that below so I can give it a shot. This is the first video of my 12 months of natural. So once a month, I'm going to give you guys updates on what I've tried, or try something totally new. We're going to do a hair length check to see where my hair is at and if it's grown and how much it has grown. So make sure you guys comment below so you guys can give me some tips on what I can do for the next video. As always, loves, I really appreciate you guys, spending the time out of your day to come and check me out. I appreciate every last one of you guys. It's amazing how fast my channel has grown in such little time. I thank you for you guys tuning in, and make sure you let me know any videos you're interested in seeing so I can make sure that I'm doing those videos for you guys. Thanks again, and make sure you smile today. Have a great one. All right, bye, loves. Until next Tuesday, see ya.